Replace the gasket, a handy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, replace the gasket. This might sound a bit technical, but it's a great example of how English incorporates specific terms for everyday tasks and repairs. Understanding phrases like this can be incredibly useful, especially if you're interested in DIY, mechanics, or just want to expand your English vocabulary. Let's get started. First off, let's break down the phrase. To replace means to take something out and put another thing in its place. A gasket is a seal, often made of rubber or metal, that goes between two surfaces to prevent leaks of liquid or gas. Gaskets are common in machinery, like car engines, and household appliances, such as refrigerators. So, when you replace the gasket, you're taking out an old or damaged gasket and installing a new one to ensure everything works smoothly and efficiently without leaks. Gaskets play a crucial role in the functioning of many devices and engines. A failing gasket can lead to leaks, which might cause damage or reduce the efficiency of the machine. For example, in a car engine, a leaking gasket could lead to oil or coolant leaks, which can cause the engine to overheat or run poorly. Replacing a gasket when it shows signs of wear and tear can save you from more costly repairs down the line. It's a basic but essential maintenance skill that can extend the life of your appliances and vehicles. 1. Automotive repairs. Changing the head gasket in a car engine to prevent oil or coolant leaks. 2. Plumbing fixes. Replacing the gasket in a leaky faucet to stop a drip. 3. Appliance maintenance. Swapping out the door gasket on a refrigerator to ensure it seals properly. Understanding this phrase can be particularly helpful if you're following English instructions for repairs or if you need to explain a problem to a mechanic or technician. I hope this guide has helped clarify the meaning and importance of the phrase, replace the gasket. It's a great example of the practical language you might encounter in everyday life, especially if you enjoy fixing things by yourself or want to understand more about how things work. Remember, learning English isn't just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about connecting with a wide range of experiences and knowledge. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.